Put down your phone and listen up. You're getting played by every single expert on your social media feed. Peptides. They're screaming about miracle molecules, ageless skin, and instant fat loss without you having to lift a single finger. You're watching influencers pin themselves on camera and falling for every filtered before and after because you want the easy way out. You want the ultimate biohack? You want a shortcut to a body and a life you haven't actually earned yet? Stop dreaming. Most of this is pure, dangerous hype. That vial you bought from some shady basement website? It's probably contaminated trash. You're chasing a quick fix that will bankrupt your health for decades to come. The line between real science and reckless self-experimentation has vanished. I'm here to draw it back in blood. I'm breaking down the facts so you stop being a victim. This is the cold, hard truth about the peptide craze. Focus. What even is a peptide? Stop overcomplicating it. Think of it like this. Amino acids are the letters of the alphabet. Peptides are the words, and the proteins they build are the orders your body follows. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as elite signaling molecules. They are natural. You literally cannot live without them. Your body produces peptides for every critical mission, telling cells to produce hormones, slamming the brakes on inflammation, and launching tissue repair. They are the messengers, and they do not take excuses. This scientific foundation is exactly why the marketing lies sound so believable. The theory is that if you inject synthetic trash into your system, you can hijack these signals and command your cells to build muscle or burn fat on demand. Draw a line in the sand right now. On one side, FDA-approved medicine, insulin, and the new wave of GLP-1 weight loss drugs. These are proven tools tested through fire. On the other side, the wild west of peptides, the research chemicals, garbage. Any label that says not for human consumption is there for a reason. This group includes BPC-157 and growth hormone secretagogues. These aren't supplements, they are unregulated experiments. Know the difference before you wreck your endocrine system. Let's dismantle the popular peptides you see online and compare the hype to reality. First, the miracle healer, BPC-157. It stands for Body Protection Compound. Influencers claim it rapidly heals torn muscles, nagging tendinitis, and even leaky guts. If you're injured, it sounds like a dream. But human health isn't built on dreams. Here's the cold reality. Almost all that exciting research was done on rats. You are not a 170-pound rodent. As of 2026, there are 0 large-scale, placebo-controlled human trials, proving BPC-157 is safe. 0. The few human studies were tiny and insignificant. The FDA has blacklisted it from compounding. WADA has banned it for all athletes. If you're pinning BPC right now, you aren't optimizing. You're a human guinea pig in a lawless lab. Start acting like an athlete, not a lab animal. Next, the CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin stack. These are growth hormone secretagogues. They poke your pituitary gland like a drill sergeant and demand more growth hormone. The claim? You'll burn fat, build lean muscle, and sleep like a baby. Look at the evidence. Yes, they raise GH levels. Small studies confirm it. But listen to the warnings. These are unapproved drugs sold for research purposes only. The FDA has issued warnings about heart rate spikes and cardiovascular damage. There is a massive fear that messing with growth factors fuels the growth of undiagnosed cancer cells. You're playing Russian roulette with your heart and your cells just to look a bit leaner in a mirror. That isn't discipline. That's pure stupidity. Now look at the dark side, the part the influencers hide behind their filters, the risks. When you use unregulated products, you are inviting disaster. Risk number 1, purity. When you buy from a research website, you have 0 guarantee of what is in that vial. These aren't checked by anyone. Independent tests show purity levels are a joke, and vials are often contaminated with bacteria or heavy metals. You're injecting poison. Risk number 2, unknown side effects. Because there are no long-term human trials, you're the experiment. Joint pain, water retention, high blood pressure, and hormonal chaos. You are throwing your natural endocrine system out of whack, which will destroy your mood and metabolism, and peptide stacking. That is absolute madness. You're mixing experimental drugs with no doctor and no safety net. You're piling side effects on top of side effects. Finally, the legal reality. WADA will ban you. and the FDA is coming for these clinics. If you're an athlete, you're finished. For everyone else, you're just a sucker buying into a gray market with zero safety rules. Why is everyone obsessed? It's simple, because they're lazy. People want the shortcut. They want the miracle in a needle because they don't want to put in the work. Peptides are the ultimate scam for the undisciplined. The science is years away, but the marketing is here to take your money today. The real secret to health isn't hiding in an unlabeled vial you bought from a shady website. It is built by mastering the basics. The most powerful tools for changing your body are still consistent nutrition, heavy training, deep sleep, and stress management. These aren't as sexy as a miracle molecule, but they are proven, they are safe, and they actually work every single time. Do not let the hype make you forget the discipline you already know is required. Wake up and take control. If you want the truth without the sugarcoating, subscribe to this channel right now. No excuses. I want to hear the most ridiculous or unbelievable peptide claim you've seen in the comments below. Let's expose the nonsense together. Get to work.